Okay, so here we are again, the same part number, like it says 5 on order, that's the PO it's on. So it has 25 for min and max. So the computer's calculating 25 minus this 5 that's on order already, plus what's quantity on hand. So it says 0 available. So when I say now to the order list, it's going to say 20 because it knows that this 5 plus this on order says that we only need 25. And so I say need it. Send to the order list. Now when I go to my order list, somebody has populated everything up here, so it would say, might be down at the bottom, there it is. So when I want to just see this vendor, so it says now we need 20. So again, if I tell it that I only need 10 this time, alright, so now it says on order 5 right there, but once I go to the PO, it'll say, so I'm sending it to the order, say create the PO, say yes, it comes up, now I got to process it for it to go on order, otherwise it's just placed. See, you know, here it says PO summary, so it knows there's 5 already, now it's 10. So when I say process, it goes through. So now when I go to record, I'm just refreshing screen. It says PO summary is 15 on order. So when I say to the order list, it says I only need 10 because it's calculating this 15 that's on order already. So that's something that's not going on right now in the program. Alright, so let's say, so once I go to receive the PO, see I got to go to receive PO right there, filtered by the vendor. It's going to be this one, press it to the color. And it shows this one, it shows that one, and it shows this is one we were testing before. So when I go, let's stick with this one, and I say, I'm going to receive it, invoice number comes, and I think you're doing that now because I saw the box come up. So here's the invoice number. I'm going to put $5 freight. And then here, instead of 5, let's say we only got, let's say we got 7. We got more than expected. The cost is still $5. So now it says that the new cost is $35. And I could see it here before I printed out or anything. Here it is. It says 25 plus the freight. Alright, so receive amount. So you got 35 plus the freight is $40. So the receive amount is 35. The total PO grand total is $40. Alright, so when I say receive it now, it's going to process it. Now I didn't change the price, so all the price stays the same. There's nothing to preview because it stayed the same. So I punch a receiving report. It looks like this. It's got the invoice number, the date. It says quantity I ordered 5. I got 7. They were $5 a piece, 35. Down at the bottom, it says freight was $5 and the grand total is 40. So that matches my vendor invoice of $40. Okay, that completes that. Oh, hold on, let me show you. So then when we finish here, we complete it. If I go to PO history and say, hey, what just came in, I should see my, right there, for $40, just like I see it. So when I view this, it's showing me the PO that I ordered 5, received 7. Cost was $5, it was $35 plus the $5 freight, everything's $40. So everything matches all the way across. It doesn't compile and keep adding on to the PO. It treats each PO separately and has invoice number, PO, vendor. These are the things that we need listed out like that. So really we need the vendor, the invoice number, the PO, and the quantity. And that's pretty much it.